Let's learn about the exponential and log. Exponential increase means more explosive growth. Bacteria that carry contagious disease multiply rapidly. When one bacterium breeds 10 times, the bacterium becomes 1024. When breeding is repeated for 20 times, is it scary? Let's confirm the power of the exponential increase one more time. When we deposit money in a bank, we receive interest in return. Do you know that there are simple interest method? Bank promised to give me 10% of interest on an annual basis and deposited a principal of $10,000. What is the interest going to be after 1 year? I am supposed to get 10% of the principal, $10,000. The interest amount will be $1,000 after 1 year. Let's think about the interest after another year. If the bank gives 10% of the principal, $10,000 again, I will receive $1,000 after 2 years. After 3 years and 4 years, I will receive $1,000 each year. This type of interest calculation method is called a simple interest method. Another interest calculation method, compound interest method, which is more favorable to us. After the first year, interest of $1,000, which is a 10% of the principal, $10,000. However, in second year, it is calculates the interest based on adding the accrued interest of $1,000 to the principal, $10,000. In second year, interest amount becomes $1,100, which is 10% of the added principal, $11,000, after 2 years. At the point of 3 years, the principal becomes $12,100, and the interest increases to $1,210. The difference of deposited money, according to the simple and compound interest methods, after 10 years, as the principal and interest increase. The deposit amount becomes $25,937, which is $6,000 more than the simple interest method, based on compound interest method calculation. Exponential increase of bacteria's breeding is expressed in a graph below. Exponential increase of bacteria's breeding is expressed in a formula below. Y means the degree polynomial x of value a. When constant a is less than 1, which is a fraction, the exponential function can have a drastic decrease type. The difference is that, as the exponential function increases rapidly, the log function's changing values decrease rapidly. As a result, the exponential functions and logarithmic functions are inverse relationship. When a log function is expressed in a general formula, a is base and x is number. A is not one and positive number, and x is a positive number as well. If the number x, with respect to the base, is expressed in a log function, the exponential value becomes the log function's result value. The second degree polynomial of value 2 is 4, and the second degree of polynomial of value 3 is 9. When y equal to x-axis is fold in symmetry, the graphs of an exponential function and a logarithmic function are the same shapes. This research, in response to stimuli. Beginning of the stimulus being strong, needed a larger stimulus to detect changes. A phenomenon of music being loud in a quiet room, but the music can hardly be heard on noisy streets.